Hi, my name is Charles Malki, biologist and plant expert with Ivory Organics, where we grow cool plants and author of Saving the World with the Home Garden. And today, I'm happy to share with you that Ivory Organics has the best sale of the year running now through December 31st of 2020, where the entire store is 20% off. The promo code is IVO Loyal right there on your screen, and you get 20% off the entire store, in addition to free shipping throughout the United States, another savings that we have not had this entire 2020 year that you can take advantage of right now. In addition to, on our trio gift boxes, we're calling it a holiday special. When you receive it, whether you order the blue box or the yellow box, instead of the trio where you get the Ivory Organics Super Blend Fertilizer, which now contains azomite, which is that crushed volcanic rock, delivering not just the NPK, and if you take a look over here, it contains all the primary nutrients for NPK, all of the secondary nutrients, calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. Sometimes in the original packaging, it said 6 macros plus. With all of the macronutrients and a lot of the micronutrients, the plant's gonna have all that it needs for optimal growth, health, and longevity. So the Ivory Organic Super Blend Fertilizers, when you get the trio, will now come through the end of the year with 2 bags of Super Plus fertilizers, or if you order the blue label, it'll come with 2 bags of the Premium Blend fertilizers, the whitewash, and the ready-to-use spray bottles. So again, double the quantities on fertilizer as a holiday special on the Ivory Organics Trio gift box sets. For more details, go to ivorganics.com and check out the entire product line. If you've ever been curious, this is the time to buy. For those of you that are repeat customers, this is your best chance to get your hands on more product at the best price of the year. For those of you that haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe, like, and hit that push bell notification to stay connected to all of the Ivory Organics lessons as soon as they become made available, in addition to sales as this one. As always, keep growing with Ivory Organics, and wishing you all happy gardening.